Hi learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this question. So now what you can see over here, this part and this part, this is both the same, only the difference here is this is plus and this is minus. So what we can do here, we can think this as A and this as B, A plus B, because this whole thing we can treat this as B. And here saying this is A and this is going to be B, but here there is a minus sign in between. So this will be A minus B. So you know what is A plus B and A minus B. What is the formula? That is A square minus B square. So now these both will keep the same. So now let us write this without as it is. And for this one, we can write here A square minus B square. So the main root remains the same. So this will be, we have to take the A square means 2 square minus this is going to be B square. So what is that? So this is B square. So now let us solve again. We'll keep these two terms, this and this the same. Now this we can write as 2 square is going to be 4. And now look at here. This is the root and this is the square of it. So what happens? This and this gets cancelled out. So only this root remains. So we can just write here 2. But this we have to write the bracket is important because there is a negative sign outside the bracket. And this part, because here negative and this bracket is important. And then this root and this goes off, so remains is this one. So again the first two we will keep as it is. First we'll keep as it is, and now what you can see, now this also in the next step we'll change it. So first two we'll keep as it is, and here what we can do here, 4 minus 2 minus, here is 2 plus root 3. Can you see here? This is minus 2 and this plus minus becomes minus here, and that is this the same. So now how will you write here? Again one step we will write here 2 plus root 3, first write as it is, and the second also. And here what we can do, we can write here 4 minus 2 means it is going to be 2, and this is minus 2 plus root 3. So now again what you can see here, this is A, this also is A, this is plus and this is B, because these both are the same, so this is B and this will be minus. Again this is A plus B and A minus B, so that will be A square minus B square. So now the first we'll write the same. This dot means that is a multiplication. So you are going to write here 2 square minus, put a bracket, and then the B square means 2 plus root 3 whole bracket square. So now again let us solve. The first part is the same. So this is going to be 4 minus, here Again, this what we can do, this and this gets cancelled out. So what remains is just this one, 2 plus root 3. So, but that should be in a bracket. So it should be 2 plus root 3. So now let us write this one, 2 plus root 3. And here what we can do, we can write it 4. Now let us remove the bracket, minus root 3. Because this part. So now let us write again. So what will be that? 4 minus 2 means 2 minus root 3. So now we can see again this will be in the form of, this is a plus b and this will be a minus b. Again that is a square minus b square. So what we can write here? Root of 2 square minus this root 3 square. So what will be that? That is going to be root of 4 minus root 3 square means that is going to be 3, because root 3 into root 3, because this is a square, that is going to be root of 9. Root of 9 is that is just 3. So here that will be root of 1, and root of 1 means the answer is going to be just 1. So this is the answer. So by this one I completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.